Hello there and welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Kinsey. In today's episode we are going to be working on one of our Albuquerque Comic-Con cosplays. Poison Ivy is my choice for Saturday. It will be a Playboy Bunny mashup, but I thought I would take you guys along on the journey on how I made it. So let's get to work, shall we? I have my ears and I have some ivy, and I'm just going to glue it into place. It fits. I'm going to try and find a bra that I can pair with this, and then I'll stick the vines to that. I found it was most efficient to wear the bra while placing the greenery onto the bra. That way it was in the right position and the bra was built to my shape because it is very elastic. As always with my Maximus Crow mind, I went overboard and I'm no regrets, honestly. Here is the base layer and I'm very pleased with how it's turning out. I'm excited for this next bit though. Go ahead and start gluing onto the bottom here. I'm going to pluck all of these roses off of their stems as well as cut these ones up to size. Now we can start hot gluing everything into place. I want the placement to be symmetrical, so we're going to be going around this and paying very close attention to how the branches and everything is placed. So this is where we are with it. They're all glued into place. Look how awesome. It's just so pretty. The true spirit of me, I've decided to go extra on my costume. So let me show you what I'm doing right now. Putting this rhinestone on. Here's the front. I still need to do this side, but look how cute the back is here. Quickly becoming my favorite costume that I've ever made and will wear. So I hope you continue watching this video to see what it looks like in the end. So this turned out really cool. I still have to go find the boots and then do an official try on of everything, but I think it is absolutely perfect and it's a lot cooler than I ever expected it to be. So yay! One down for Comic-Con. You ready for the reveal? If you've made it this far into the video, I just wanted to sincerely thank you so much. Your support means the world to us. If you enjoyed this content or want to see more art content, modeling content, then go ahead and subscribe to us. I didn't have time to film the reveal as I wanted, so definitely keep an eye out for a full video and this cosplay. Bye!